Hi, today we're going to learn how to add sorting option to our table of records. So if we click on a title, let's say, at the moment all records are displayed in the alphabetical order of the title. And if we click on the title again, you can see arrow goes up and all the records are displayed in a descending order. Now if we click on the author, you can see all of the records are displayed by the name of the author in the ascending order. Again, click again, and it's reversing the order again through by the author column. The same when we click on the category column and any other column you may have in your table. So let's go back to our editor. Together with these videos, again, you have access to the exercise files. Exercise folder will contain CSS folder with the CSS file, database folder with the SQL file for the structure of our database. You may have your database already prepared, so don't worry about this one then. Images folder with two arrows, ascending and descending. Then we have index.php and JS folder with the latest version of jQuery and core.js file. But the first thing we're going to have to do is to import the database if you haven't got your database already in place. So to do this, go to your phpMyAdmin, create new database, go to the import tab, simply browse profile, select the SQL file and click on go. This will create a books table inside of your books database or any other database with several fields here and some records. So we've got the database ready to work on. If you go back to the editor, now open index.php, you can see we have some basic structure of the page already in place. So in between the opening and closing body tags, I'm going to create a few new lines and close the browser on the left. We're going to start with typing div with the ID of wrapper. Inside of this one, we're going to create a table with a cell padding of 0, cell spacing of 0, border of 0 and class TBL repeat. Now the first element will be t-head to indicate that this is a heading of the table, tr for the table row, and a few headings. First one will have span with the class sort and title as the label. We will also add ID attribute, which will reflect the name of the table cell which will fill this column. So this one will be title. Now if we copy this th tag and paste it twice underneath, next one will be author, and the last one will be category. After table head, t-head element, we're going to start with t-body. And inside of t-body, we're going to have tr. And inside of this table row, we're going to start with the td, table cell. We're actually going to create a few of them. And we'll leave them blank for the time being because we will populate some records from a database in the next video and feed them through these table cells. So that's it in this video. Let's move to the next one when we're actually getting the records from a database and displaying them on a page.